Hello Libras, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you're doing good. This is your October month reading and this will be you wisdom reading, and it will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. Else, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Let's see what messages are coming for you here, Libras. First message is the Lovers for Libras. Okay, what other messages for Libras? Please, universe, give messages for Libras. Okay, Ace of Pentacles, good card. Okay, more messages for Libras. Okay, two aces, Libras. You are about to have new start in your life, new beginning, some kind of new beginning you will face. King of Pentacle, Knight of Swords, Queen of Pentacle. Okay, underneath you are having Hermit. Okay, so this is a time where financially you will gain. Maybe there will be a new creative idea and financial gain will about to come in your life, or maybe you are going to start something new in your life, where you can maybe your partner is helping you in this gain, or if it's not or maybe you are doing a business with business in partnership. So this will, and this is quick start. It's a like you quickly get an idea, and that idea will be creative and money generating idea. So you are on a money generating ideas this time, or maybe money is coming in your way, or you are going to start new sources of income this time. So this is your good time in money also, and starting something new, whether it's in business, whether it's in job, or it's like that. If you are um, you were having, if you were having rough patch with your person, so here good news about your here is pentacle here again. So this is a time where you can earn money, or maybe you can start something new, new sources to earn money, or here you, it's a deep thinking, and it's a good decision you are making this time. This is a good decision for you. Or if it's not a money situation, if you are involving in a love situation where there will be a new start, or maybe someone new is coming in your life, you will feel the soulmate connection with this person. It's a major arcana, so you are feeling a major shift in your love life this time. So maybe it's an existing partner, or maybe it's a new partner. New partner will be more stable. This is a time to have stability in your life. So whether it's coming by your own way, sources of money, or maybe but it's coming from your person. So this is quick coming, money generating ideas, and maybe the person is coming in, someone is coming in your life with whom you are having love connection. This person will give you a lot money, a lot stability here. You both will be on a same page regarding stability of the relationship, whether it's a new person, whether it's a existing partner. So let's see uh, what will be your person's energy here. First card is Tower card. Let's see what will be your person's energy, what this person is thinking. Okay, Page of Swords again. No, Five of Cups. One more card I need. Okay, this is the card. Okay, King of Pentacle again here. So maybe you're dealing with the earth sign which is coming in your life, and this is the good time you are having with this person, and maybe some bad cycle is going to end and new cycle is of your life is going to start, with just something new is beginning in your love life, in your work life also. So, or maybe you're traveling somewhere, you're thinking to travel, or or maybe this is a long distance relationship, uh, whether your existing partner is away from you for work and money. So this can be a long distance relationship, or maybe it's a cultural difference. You met this person on social media. So this person is talking to you over social media, and this person is offering you a stability, but this person is regretting over something. Maybe this person had bad kind of situation in their lives, they are going through. If it's a new person, this person having a bad breakup with their past person, and now they are very much disappointed, but this person is accepting your offer. If you are offering this person your cup of love, or maybe this person after this breakup offering you their cup of love, and maybe you are sharing their heartbreaks, like you are sharing their emotions, and you are listening them in their bad times. So that's why this person is offering you their cup of love to you, and they are going to tell you this time that this person love you a lot. So maybe you are dealing with the earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this person is very much stable, and if this person is offering you a connection to you this time, this connection will be stable, and this will connection will be long term. There is a stability and passion both present in this connection and in this offer of this person. This person is going to offer you um, a stable connection this time. So you will be on a same page with this person this time, and things will happen quickly, and it's that much quickly that you are your decision will be, you will not have the time to think deeply, but this is a mature decision if you are accepting this person this time in this time frame. So this will be a mature decision if you are taking this person in your life. So here this person is going through some major things in their life, in major destruction in their life. Maybe it's about their house problem, it's about their breakup problem, it can be any problem where they are into right now, or you are sharing your time with this person, spending your time with this person, and you are listening to this person in their bad times. That's why this person is coming closer towards you, and this will be a new beginning in your love life with this person, or you both will be on a same page, whether it's a uh, uh, stability. In terms of stability, you people are on a same page. If this person wants to give you stability and a good relationship, you will be offer this person also a good and stable relationship. So Libras, this was your reading. If it resonates, you please let me confirm in a comment below, like me, to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.